Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can change the voice language of your Google Gemini. For example, when you say like, "Hey Google," instead of English, you can give your own language if available on the Google Gemini. For example, I'll show you now. ఈరోజు
Hey there, how can I help you today?
asking the voice command in other language which is Telugu other than English, as it is already in the screen recording, it is not taking my voice. Okay,
ఈ
just
రోజు చికెన్
see.
కర్రీని రుచికరంగా చేయడానికి కొన్ని చిట్కాలు మరియు రెసిపీలు కింద ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి. ఆంధ్ర స్టైల్ చికెన్
See
కర్రీ.
here, I asked the Google Gemini in the other language other than English, and the Google Gemini is responding. The AI assistant is responding in the language what I asked. So how you can do that? Get the same options, you need to click on your phone settings. Then under settings, just click on Google option. You will find Google option here. Google. Then you will find all services. Click on all services. Then click on search assistant and voice, and here click on Google Gemini if you are using Google Gemini. Click on Assistant if you are using Google Assistant. Now I'll be clicking on Google Gemini, then click on languages. By default, English will be available for you. If at all if you want to change, tap on this and click on the available language whatever it may be. For example, in this tutorial, what I'll do is I'll just confine to Telugu, and it is asking me to restart Gemini. So the Gemini will restart, and now
ఈ రోజు డ్రాయింగ్ వేయడానికి కొన్ని మంచి పెయింటింగ్ స్టైల్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి.
see, you can now interact on your preferred language if available. For any case, if it is not working for you, even though if you change the language, Google Gemini is not responding in the local language or the your preferred language, set language, then one thing you need to do, maybe Google Gemini app is not available on your mobile. So initially what you need to do is open Play Store, then quickly download Google Gemini and try to install it, and trying to change the language option on this Google Gemini app. This will surely work. On the app, you need to click on the profile picture, then click on settings here, then click on languages, and from here try to add any other language, for example Hindi for this time. So now